Getting a couple of whiffs of the wind today, Thursday the 1st of September. Only scheduled for about 10 miles an hour. I guess it's hitting that now. It won't be making any power. And just a reminder, the whole point of doing all this is so we can take the turbine down safely, sort out the bend in the middle, and it's good to go. It'll start running even better than it is now. Because of the bend, I can't get it perfectly level. And you see it's got a slight little wobble. That's to do with the tower as well. But yeah, so far so good. Yo, what's up? It's the 1st of September 2022, so I need to remove this cable, I need to weld these on, and then I'll fill the rest with concrete. This is cast iron, so I'm not going to try weld into that, especially it being that thick. And that's how it's looking at the minute. Just laid. I'll grind these bits, get rid of them, and then I'll decide which one of these I'm going to use. I might use both of them and cut it down. Sweet. Yeah, some strange lines up in the sky again. But yeah, that's good. So that should dry. Best give it 48 hours, I guess. And then this thing can come down. And we fix the bend in the tower. And concrete and this malarkey. I might try and save myself some hassle by trying to block up anywhere where it's going to leak and use a load of these blocks, because this wood comes off. So it would take a bit of time, but if I could put a load of blocks in there, they're still 16 to 18 kilos each, and then just concrete round that. And yes, jolly good. I'll shut up and carry on. Sweet. I'm just going to have a nice cup of tea though first. So yeah, that's the hole all done. I'll just put some gravel on top. It looks pretty good. I can grind the extra bits I don't need off, and then we attach the winch with the cable that I have to put back together, and then that will be good to go. I decided to put a load of the mud from that hole and the clay over. This was where the wasps were forming because of how dry it's been. There's a lot of cracks in the ground. I need to leave this bit clear, so in case you want to have the electric winch, it's going to connect on here somewhere. So yeah, got to leave some space under there just in case. The next step, obviously, I don't think I'm going to do it today, is to put some gravel in just to cover the first couple of inches and all the empty spaces, and then I'll start pouring some concrete in. Won't fill it with concrete, but it'll all be joined together, so Sweet! And for reference, the weight of the stone, the weight of the blocks that's laying on the metal is about 200 kilos, approximately, maybe 220. Sweet. That isn't enough, by the way, but it will be with the concrete or with something very heavy on top. Because we have got this nice flat surface, the idea was to put some 600 by 600 paving slabs on, which unfortunately I can't lift, or I would have gone and got some already. But yeah, that's the plan.